Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get 4K quality football edits in CapCut. First, import your football footage into CapCut from your gallery. To start, select the video and go to the Adjust tab. Set the contrast to 15%, the saturation to 10%, the sharpness to 30%, the shadows to 15%, and the temperature to 10%. These adjustments will enhance the clarity and color balance of your footage. Next, go to the Filters tab. Tap on Filters again and select the Movies category. Look for the Oppenheimer filter and set its value to 75%. This filter will add a cinematic look to your video. Now, let's add some effects. Go to the Effects tab and then to Video Effects. In the Retro category, find the Nostalgic Light effect. Add it to your video and adjust its settings by setting the range to 100, the filter to 0, and the intensity to 30%. Make sure this effect covers the entire length of your video. For the final effect, go back to Effects and select the Nightclub category. Choose Black Flash version 2. Adjust the speed to 20, the intensity to 1, the size to 0, and the twist to 0. This effect will add dynamic flashes to your video, enhancing the action. That's it. Your football edit should now be in stunning 4K quality. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it or if this video helped you. If you have any questions or requests for future tutorials, let me know in the comments. See you in the next tutorial.